Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome here if you are new. Today I'm going to be showing you all of my squishies. I have some more coming in on the 12th of April. Let's get into it. I've gave all my dumplings away because they're basically just the same. So I've only got the 2. So let's just start with the dumplings. Starting with the purple one, I really like this one. And then we got obviously the rare pink glitter one. Next we have the type of squishies. Starting with the donut. This one's not as sticky. Looks like it's got bites in it. This one I'm not going to take out because it's really sticky. But then we got the ice cream cone. My sister's jumping on the bed. I can hear her laughing. Next we have just this cute, fun, jumpy, bouncy thing. Ready? It don't work, but it's really cool. That's my though. Next we have this squishy ice cube, which you've probably saw in some of my videos. Okay, now here's the ice cube. It's so nice. I love it so much. Next we have these 3 rockets. Ready? So we just got this one. They go so high. Perfect. I like them so much. Now we have this really cute rainbow. I'm going to take it to school. It's like a fidget. Take it. And then we got this cute little dinosaur ring. This is a fidget because you can just go like that, tap it. And then we got this cute little, let me really slow, right, squishy. We got this cute little lizard. It's a Nido squishy and it's so nice. It feels so nice, guys. It's a Nido. And this is one of my favorites. It's a peach squishy, Nido. And it's a peach. It's really cool. Here are all my fidgets. I'm going to get you in a better angle. Color squishy, the peach. Ah! No, I've been full now. I just a lot of fidgets. I hope you enjoyed all my fidgets. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Comment down below if you want to know more. And my favourite to last favourite. Bye guys!